So this is Murphy in his new travel cage, which is quite big for a travel cage, but we're going to take him camping with us, so we need a big one, because when he's not on his flight harness, he'll be in here. Hey Murph. So he's settled in alright, he's been in this cage for about an hour, and he seems to have settled, but Murphy isn't particularly fussy anyway, tends to go wherever you put him. As long as you make out it's a good thing for him. Hey Murph. Good boy, well done. Get up there? I'm going to get him there then. Good boy. Well done. Is that good? Hello Murph. Tickle, 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 tickle. Where are you going? Go into his mirror reflection. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? So he's got this toy here, which has got banana bits in there, and more wooden bits that you can just pull out. More banana bits. Then he's got his acrylic toy, but to be honest, he doesn't do anything with this. I think it's just taking up space. He doesn't like any of his acrylic toys. This is one of his favourite ones because it's made out of straw and he can destroy it easier, I expect. Alright Murphy, you don't like too much effort, do you? It's his ladder. He's actually on a seed mix at the moment, which I don't particularly like, but he's had some trouble on the last pelleted food he was on, so I've moved him back on this in the meantime. He's got some foot toys on the floor there and some beans, which he won't eat now because they've gone cold.